Hello students, this is Momita madam and let's discuss in this video the question answer of standard 8 history civics history chapter 3. So chapter 3 already in my previous video, that is about American War of Independence, I discussed. Now in this video I am going to discuss about the question answer. So let's start now. The first question is answer the following question briefly. A1, name any two countries which had established colonies in America. So for this answer you just turn the first page and here you see four countries name have written: France, Holland, Spain and England. Any two you can write. Next, question number 2. 7-year war was a major factor responsible for the rise of the American War of Independence. Justify. So for this answer you come to the page number 32 and here you see 7 years war with France. So you will write that 7-year war was fought between England and France, and then during the 7 years war England had spent a lot on the defense of her colonies, so it wanted to impose more taxes on the colonies, but the colonies refused to share the burden. So this is the one of the main cause of American War of Independence. Next, what was the immediate cause of the American War of Independence? So immediate cause, here it is given, page number, same page 32. It was the policy of George III and his Prime Minister Grenville towards the colonies that precipitated matters and thereby provided the immediate cause for the revolt. Page number 32. Next question. Name any two acts which became bone of contention between England and its American colonies. So two acts, any Sugar Act, Stamp Act. Here four acts has been given. You write Sugar Act and Stamp Act. Next is, what was Sugar Act? So Sugar Act, you can write Sugar Act was an act which banned the import of molasses from overseas countries except England. Taxes were imposed on wine, silk, coffee and other articles of luxury also. Next question is, what is Stamp Act? So you can write that Stamp Act was passed in the British Parliament, and according to this tax was imposed on all American colonists and required them to pay a tax on every piece of printed paper they used, up to this much. Next, name any two nations which supported American colonies war against British. So it will be France and Spain. Next question, who was the commander-in-chief? Commander-in-chief was George Washington. In page number 34 it is given. Next is question number 9. Name the slogan used by the American people. Here it is given the slogan, no taxation without representation. Next question, name the treaty through which United America came into being. Treaty of Paris. So now let's move to the question in details. Analyze the major factors responsible for the American War of Independence. So for this answer, take out page number 32 and causes of the American War of Independence. Here it is given: mismanagement of colonies, economic exploitation of the colonies and 7 years war with France. Next, second question, explain how various acts became the major factor for the American War of Independence. So various acts, in this answer you will write about Sugar Act, Stamp Act, Discretionary Act and Intolerable Acts. So Sugar Act, you will write that it banned the import of molasses from overseas banks and imposed on wine, silk, coffee and other luxurious items. Then Stamp Act, you will write that it was passed by the British Parliament, imposed on all American colonies, required them to pay a tax on every piece of printed paper they used. And then declaratory act, you will write that Stamp Act met with great resistance. To curb such resistance or to control such resistance, the British Parliament passed Declaratory Act, which declared that British Parliament was fully empowered to impose taxes on America. And the last one you will write Intolerable Acts. From here, in retaliation, Parliament passed the series of punitive measures known in the colonies as the Intolerable Acts, which among other measures closed the port of Boston. So these four you will write in this answer about the four acts. Next question, explain the brief history of the formation of the United States of America. So the formation And the birth of United States of America, the answer is in page number 33 and 34. So 34, you see here serially certain points have been given. So you have to write remembering this sequence wise incident which was the cause of the independence of formation of United States of America. Next question, question number 4. Analyze the significance of American War of Independence for both America and England. So here you see birth of America, here 2 points have been given, and birth of England, here 3 points have been given in page number 34. The next question, explain the impact of American War of Independence on the world. It is also direct question given in 34. Answer 3 points are there. You have to do these 3 points. Next come the short questions. Now match the following. So Sugar Act banned molasses from overseas. Stamp Act, tax on printed paper. Declaration Act, the British Parliament was free to impose tax. Intolerable Act, closing of Boston Port. Discovery of America, Columbus. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Question number D. 7 years war was fought between England and France. Next, dash banned molasses. Sugar Act banned molasses from overseas countries except England. No taxation without representation was the slogan used by the Americans against the Stamp Act. Next, American War of Independence broke out in 1775. United States Declaration of Independence was drafted by Thomas Jefferson. That's all. Thank you.